Hi guys, welcome to my channel Study with Enthusiasm. So before going any further, let me tell you something that I am very new to this, but I'll make sure to clear all of your concept in much easier language related to English grammar. But before that, please subscribe to my channel as I'm going to make many videos to clear your study related concept. So guys, let's start with the basics. If you want to speak in English, you must know the basic concept of English grammar. So let's start with the starting. As you guys all know what vowels are. That is A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there, which are A, E, I, O, U. Other than that, all the alphabets are called consonant. Okay, now let's move further. What is article? What is article? So let me just tell you something that whenever I ask to any children that what is article, like grown-up children, they always end up saying that article we read in newspaper. Yes, that is article. But in English grammar, what is article? A and the. In English grammar, article is A and the. Just remember this, it will help you in the future. Okay, so let's move further to how to use article. How we use articles. Whenever the word is given and the first letter of that word is consonant, like other than vowel, then in front of that always A will come. Whenever there is a word and the first letter of that word is consonant, then what will come? A. Then whenever that first letter of the word is vowel, like A, E, I, O, U, whenever that letter is vowel, then in front of that A, N will come. Okay, so now you got to know how we use A and N. Now when the will come, whenever there is a word given that are specific or particular, then the will come. Like sun, the sun is only one, it is specific, that's why the sun will come. A table, the first letter of table is T and that is consonant, then in front of that A will come. An orange, the first letter of orange is vowel, that's why in front of that AN will come. An ice cube, the Ganga. I think the concept of how to use article is clear now. So let's move further. So let's move deep into this concept. Please try to focus on this point as it is very much important. So as you guys have already seen that sometimes the first letter of the word is given consonant, but still we use AN. Why is that so? Because of the threefold reasons, which are the first letter is silent, pronounce it or the word properly. For example, an honest man. How we are pronouncing honest? Are we pronouncing this H? No. Why? Because this H is silent here. Instead of that, what we are pronouncing? Honest. We are pronouncing it from this O. Honest man. So O is vowel or consonant? Yes, it is vowel. So that's why we are using AN. The same way how we pronounce our. Do we pronounce it like hour or hour? We pronounce it as hour. Are we pronouncing this H? No, we are not pronouncing this H. Instead of that, we are pronouncing hour. We are pronouncing it from O. That's why AN will come here. So the last and the most important point is it is connected to our Hindi language. It is connected to our Hindi language. I'll suggest to focus on this point as this is the point that maybe many people don't know and also you rarely get to know about this point. Whenever you pronounce any English word, try to connect its sound with our Hindi language. While reading the word, try to understand Is the sound of the first letter is connected to swar or vyanjan? Try to understand the sound. Is the first letter is connected to swar or vyanjan? If it is connected with swar, then an will come. And if it is connected with vyanjan, then a will come. For example, MLA. When we are pronouncing MLA, the sound of the first letter is connected with swar, as it is making the sound of Hindi alphabet A. MLA. In Hindi alphabet, A is coming, which is anak, which comes under swar. That's why here an will come. The same way, when we are pronouncing table, the sound of the first letter is T, which comes under vyanjan. Thus we are using here A. Now I think I've cleared all your concept of article. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment down below. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want me to post more study related videos, please comment down below the concept so that I can clear your doubts. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.